In today's video, we're going to be taking a bearing out of a wheel for a lawnmower. And I just wanted to make this quick video because I know a lot of people these days just don't have the mechanical experience or background and could use some tips on how to do things right without damaging anything. Now, most people are just going to tell you to get a nice center punch or something and take turns going on either side of the bearing and beating it from the inside. And I'm going to show you why you don't want to just do that. Now, if the bearing you're taking out, if it doesn't matter if it's going to get damaged, fine, you can do it that way, but you can see that it does damage the outer ring. You can see where beating on that can damage the bearing. And to avoid doing that, what you're going to want to do is get yourself a nice brass. This is brass. You can also get them made out of copper. This is like a little beater. But you're going to get one of these, and the reason that you do that is because now, let me slowly tap this one out, and we're just going to give it a few quick hits on either side, and I'm trying to do this with one hand, so it makes it a little bit more difficult. But by doing it this way, with something that's brass, brass is a soft metal. So when you're using brass, being it's a soft metal, and let me show you here, when you beat on the item, it's not going to score or damage the surface. So if it's important to you, if you don't have replacement bearings and you want to save the bearings, always remember when you go to beat these out to get a nice brass rod to use as a beater, and then that way you will never damage your bearings again or bushings if they need to be reused.